Hi, so you tired of using polishing bottles to prop open a hood or use your knee to prop open a door when you're trying to do paint correction on it? Well, if so, stay tuned because we've got the perfect tool to make your life a little bit easier. Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider with ESOTERIC. You know, back in the early days before we had all kinds of great tools and stuff in detailing, we did the same here at ESOTERIC. You go to polish a hood, you need to prop it open. You just put a couple of bottles of polish in there, but the hood moves around quite a bit. Or you've got a door that you need to prop open to have full access to it. You sit there and you try to hold it open with your knee while you polish at the same time. Doesn't work out really well. It's not really safe either. Well, Kamikaze has come up with a great tool in the door gate stopper kit. With this, you get two different tools depending on the areas of the car that you're working with. With a smaller tool right here, this is typically what you're going to use for like the hood, or if you've got a rear a trunk area like on a Corvette, for instance, that you need to prop it open to be able to get full access to it. This little tool works out fantastic and holds everything securely in place. All you do, take this end, you push it down into the stock lock, and this right here will go up into the hook that's at the top. Now, we've run into a few cars over the years that there's just a goofy configuration to it and it doesn't completely work on it, but for most cars, it works just fine, and more importantly, it's going to hold it securely in place. You don't have to worry about working on an area and the polish bottle that you're using to prop it up slip out and then you end up hitting something and damaging it. So a small one, typically used for hoods, can also be used like on the rear hatch of Corvettes. Now, also comes with the longer unit, and this is typically going to be used for doors or the rear hatch area of an SUV. For one, if it's all the way down, you can't access the lower area when you're polishing, but two, it can prop it up so it's at a perfect level for you to work on. You're not having to sit down on the floor. This one's nice because it is adjustable. You've got some different lengths depending on what's going to work best for your situation, and it's got the exact same kind of connectors as the small ones. Once again, doors, rear hatches. It's going to make your life a lot simpler. For you PPF installers out there, these work out really well too. Make your life a little bit simpler when you're polishing, when you're doing PPF. Get the Kamikaze Door Gate Stopper kit. Comes with both of them. It's going to make your job much easier. All right, so you want to learn a little bit more about the polishing side of it now that you've got your great tool for the job. Check out the next videos we're going to link you to because we go into a lot of details to help you become very, very good at paint correction.